Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to ClickUp, organize projects and docs step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. Type ClickUp.com in the address bar and press enter. On the ClickUp homepage, find and click the login button. If you already have a work email for ClickUp, select the email login option. Click inside the email field and type your email address carefully. Click inside the password field and type your password. Check that caps lock is off to avoid password mistakes. Click the login button to access your ClickUp account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset email steps. If your team uses Google, choose Continue with Google to sign in faster. Select the correct Google account when the Google pop-up appears. Allow permissions if you are asked, so ClickUp can connect to your account. If your company uses Microsoft, choose Continue with Microsoft instead. Enter your Microsoft email and password, then complete any prompts. If you see a verification step, complete the two-factor authentication code. After login, wait for ClickUp to load your workspace home screen. If you belong to multiple workspaces, select the correct workspace from the list. Confirm you are in the right space by checking the left sidebar name. Click Home to see your tasks, reminders, and recent activity. Click Docs in the left sidebar to open your documentation area. Click Projects or Spaces to locate the project you want to organize. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find a task, list, or doc. If you are logging in on a shared device, avoid checking Remember Me for security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser and check your internet connection. If login keeps failing, retype your email and password slowly and try again. Make sure you are using the correct login method your account was created with. For app access, open the ClickUp desktop or mobile app and choose the same login option. Once inside, you can start organizing tasks, lists, and docs right away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.